Hi, for this video I'm just going to be showing the testing for the code used on lesson 5 for the Raspberry Pi. And in this lesson 5 it's really just a continuation from the previous lesson, lesson 4, and in general the first 4 lessons with the Pi that work with the OKLED light. This is the last one in the group, and so with this last lesson, we're just going to want to manipulate the Pi and actually be able to make it flash in a certain pattern. And the pattern that we're going to try to create is the SOS distress pattern. And we do this by really only changing the main file this time. I'm going to go into lesson 5. What we do is something a little different. We actually add a .data section, as you can see here. With this data section, it's not code that's executed. It's just for storage, and basically we're gonna put here this pattern, the label here, and we're gonna use the 1s to represent the Pi LED light off, and the 0s for when the Pi would be on. And we would have a big pause here since these are a bunch of 1s. It would flash on, flash off, flash on, flash off. It would flash, or it would be on a little bit longer, take a pause, be on long, pause, be on long, pause, and then on, off, off. And like I was saying, with this pattern, the light will be able to flash just like the SOS distress signal. Also, again, only the main file is being edited. The system timer and the GPIO file will stay the same as from lesson 4. And so let's test it out, make sure it works. Back out here. Alright, it's lesson 5. Open the command prompt and build it. Go to okay. Alright, we got lesson 5. Okay, we'll do Pi make. Create the image. Alright, so that built now. And okay, good. We have our image. So let's copy this. And then we're gonna put that in the SD card, which I already have on my computer. Here's the rest of the other files you need for booting. Alright. That there. Exit out of that. Alright. Let me just eject. Okay. Stick it out. Put it in the Pi. Hold on 1 second. Alright. So we got the light there. Like I was saying before, you want it to flash this pattern. So we're going to have a pause in the beginning, then on, off, and it's going to be on a little bit longer, and then on, off. So let's see. I'm going to plug it in, power it up. Let's see. I'm going to wait for it to cycle again. There we go. You got the pause. On, off. Now it's on for a little bit longer. And then on, off. And then it goes through the cycle again. I don't know. It's kind of hard to see. Let's see. See, pause. Then it's on, off. Then we got the longer pauses. And then it goes back to the end, and then the cycle. So, as you can see, the Raspberry Pi is creating the SOS distress signal, and the code is working like expected.